Hi, second grade, Miss L here. Welcome to our little video tutorial for the topic B quiz that you'll be taking on Friday, today for most of you. So if you'll notice at the top, once you get logged in, you'll see that there are only 3 questions. That's exciting for you, but we do want to make sure that you are taking your time going slow, and so I'm just going to spend a second here going over each question so that you know what to do and so you can be ready to do your very best. So again, once you get logged into Edulastic and you click on that topic B quiz, you'll open up to this page. The first question says, count or add to find the total value of each group of coins. Enter the value in cents. Okay, so you see that little symbol here. That's going to be important. So you look at your coins. You decide, do you have quarters, do you have dimes, nickels, pennies, and you add them up to get your total. You're going to click in the box, and then you're going to type in the number of cents that you have. Okay, so if I thought it was 23, I'd type in a 2 and a 3. At the back here, you'll see the symbol, just like you saw up here for cents. So you don't have to put anything in the box other than the number, other than the total value. Okay, so don't think that you have to type in the word cents or find a symbol on your computer. It's already here right next to it. So if I think the answer is 23, I'm going to type in a 2 and a 3 for 23, and then I'm going to be done. But you'll also see there's a scroll bar over here. So I'm going to click my mouse and drag down because there's a second problem. Okay, this little penny up here, this is included in the second part of part B. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm looking at the quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies, and I'm figuring out how much money do I have here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the box, and I'm going to type in what I think I have. So maybe this time I think I have 42. I don't know, I'm just making up numbers here. I'm going to type in my 4 and my 2, and then the cents is already there. Now, don't think that's right because I didn't count it, but I just wanted to give you an example. Once you have answers in both boxes, then you can click next. Okay? This is a word problem, so this goes back to that read, draw, write method we were learning about. Salim has 97 cents in his wallet. From his wallet, he gives 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 3 pennies to his brother, and 3 dimes, 4 nickels, and 1 penny to his sister. How much money does Salim have left in his wallet? Use paper to show your work. So again, this goes back to that word problem we practiced the other day. It had to do with Mr. Williamson. He had the coins in his hands, and he was giving some to Miss Fisher. Think about that one. How much money do you have in the hands? And then he's giving a bunch to his brother and sister. So he's got 97 cents. What is he giving away? Use paper to draw a picture and figure that out. Okay? When you're done, again, that little symbol for cents is already here. You don't have to worry about it. You only have to write how much he has left in his wallet. So what's the value of what he has? Use those numbers. Type them in. Okay? Make sure you've got something in that box, and then you can click next. Your last question says, Ruben wants to buy an eraser that costs 65 cents. Which coin combinations equal 65 cents? Now, if you'll notice, you can click on more than one answer. Okay? So, pay attention to what is listed there. 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel, 6 nickels and 5 pennies, 6 dimes and 1 nickel, or 65 pennies. Which equal 65 cents? It could be 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. Just make sure that you're looking really closely to figure out how much actually equals 65 cents. When you're done, should you hit submit right away? No. We've taken too many quizzes to know that we always go back to the beginning and check our answers. Good mathematicians are always double checking their work. So go through and make sure that you've got the correct answers for part A and part B. Then go back to question 2, read the problem again, check your work, make sure that your answer on your paper matches what you typed in here. Then click next. Go through and make sure that you've selected all of the ones that equal 65 cents. Then you can go ahead and click submit. We've been noticing some pretty good scores on these quizzes. We just want to make sure that you keep doing what you're doing, keep working hard. Don't forget to fill in any of those boxes. Those are missing points for you, okay? Second grade, we are so excited to see these results, and we wish you all the best of luck. We know you're going to do great. Bye-bye.